Bring the, like you're doing musculation, guys. Do 1, 2, 3. Don't stay like this. Do 1, 2, 3. Up. You put it, push up. Do this. It's better for you. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Push up. Ready? When you're here, turn your arms and go up also. Don't stay. Okay. Don't stay down. So arrive here. Try to push on your leg. And turn your arm, alright? So, 1, 2, 3, guys, up. Watch, stretch your legs, more the ankle. Watch, and 1, 2, 3, go. Now, guys, up. And push, up. Okay? Okay? Thank you.
Ready?